Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched trending meme coin here. Name is Moonpig and other Solana ecosystem meme coin. Right now this meme coin is trending here and only 21 days old meme coin. Right now $75 million market already for this meme coin. Listed in many best internet exchanges. I will share you all further details here. So videos be very special and very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Fresh Moonpig Snap $0.074 current price, 25% pump in last 24 hours. As we have already Moondang in Solana ecosystem, that was the first ever Hippo theme meme coin in crypto market, make a massive hype. And after that, you can see another meme coin launch. Its name is Moonpig. That was the Moondang. This is Moon Pig. 156% pump in last 14 days. This awesome performance from this coin. You can see friends, $75 million market for this meme coin, 41.1 million dollars trading volume in last 24 hours, 1 billion coin supply, all the circulation, Solana ecosystem meme coin, and 39% down this all time high. There was $0.12 3 days ago, and right now we are trending 200% up the all time low, and coin has already killed 1 0. Right now price, but already killed both zeros when make its all time high 3 days ago. So this is really good performance from this coin. Friends, ABXC has already listed this coin, L-Bank has listed, Digifinix is listed, Arbit has listed this coin, and Polnix has listed this coin, and all other Solana dexes where this coin is listed. So this is good performance from this coin overall. And Bitmart is also listed coin. But if you not have MEX exchange account yet, I already provide you MEX exchange link in description where you can buy all new launch meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Friends, website is very simple. You can check out all further details here. Okay, very simple website. So you can also check by yourself. You can see social community on X, 7,692 followers. So this is good. This is really good, friends. You can see joined in this month of May 2025, and within just 21 days, 7,000 plus holders for this coin. And you can see, friends, this official contact address is already provided here on their website. 19th May, and so community is not too active as it should be, but you can see, friends, last tweet was on 1st May, and after that 19th May. Okay, so this is not good. Today is 27th May, and the community is not too active here, but coin is looking good. His performance is amazing. You can see, friends, $25 million market, $41 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And right now, as I already show you in the start of video, that this coin is trending here. You can see, friends, trending coin, hype coin is trending, and Moonpig is trending. This is really good that this meme coin right now trending on CoinGo. Other coin are Zabbix Network, RW category coin, and there's no any other meme coin. You can see, friends, the only meme coin right now trending is Moonpig. This is really good, and newly launched meme coin trending on CoinGo. So it means that coin is looking good. Already show you central exchanges. And friends, now my price prediction for this meme coin is that no doubt it's a meme coin, so highly risky. All meme coins are highly risky because they are meme coin. They have no real use cases. Okay, but as we all are meme coin lovers and you are also, so that's why you are in this channel and watching my videos. So I think definitely, friends, if this meme coin can make a massive hype and crypto market can goes well, we can see meme coin stays back in market again, that definitely has potential to be the next $1 billion, maybe up to 1 to maybe $5 billion market for Moonpig coin, because I think this is the only right now high market big theme meme coin in crypto market, because we have many dogs, we have many cat theme meme coins, now hippo also, but this is the, I think, high market meme coin right now, that is big theme meme coin. So it's possible that we can see maybe Moonpig also to make massive hype, just like we have Moonjang right now, and we can see this market from just 75 million up to 1 to 5 billion dollars in mega bullion. I'm not talking in coming few days or coming few weeks, but then we see a crazy bullion, a meme coins mega bullion, super cycle mega bullion. At that time, definitely it's possible that this meme coin can reach 1 to 5 billion dollars market.